Fundamentals of programming, variables, data types, and conditional statements. Understanding these three concepts is the bedrock of building any software application. Here is a breakdown of how they function in most programming languages. 1. Variables. Variables are essentially containers used to store data that your program can manipulate. Think of them as labeled boxes where you keep information to retrieve or update later. How they work: you give the container a name, identifier, and assign it a value using an assignment operator, typically, smiley face. Example: score equals 10. 2. Data types. Data types tell the computer what kind of information a variable holds, which determines what operations can be performed on it. The most common types include integers and whole numbers, e.g., 5, minus 42. Floats, float numbers with decimal points, e.g., 3.14, 0.001. Strings, str textual data enclosed in quotes, e.g., hello, world. Booleans, bool logical values representing either true or false. 3. Conditional statements, if statements. Conditional statements allow your code to make decisions. They enable the program to execute specific blocks of code only when certain conditions are met. Structure. If, the initial condition to check. Elif, else if checks additional conditions if the first one fails. Else, the catch-all block that runs if none of the previous conditions are true. Example logic. Python. Age equals 20. If age greater than or equal to 18. Print, access granted. Else. Print, access denied. Pro tip: mastery comes through practice. Start small, experiment with these fundamentals, and build simple logic scripts to solidify your understanding. Enhance your learning. For deep dives into programming tutorials and visual explanations of these concepts, I highly recommend checking out our content. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Still Video, for professional coding tutorials, tips, and step-by-step guides to sharpen your development skills. Which of these three concepts would you like to explore in more detail, or would you like to see a code example in a specific programming language?